So now God kicks them out of the garden, Adam and Eve. I'm asking, you have a right to ask the Christians, is that not punishment enough? This God of the Bible, he curses them both. He says, you, Adam, from now on, you must sweat for your bread. And you, woman, you must bear children in pain and suffering. Punishment. Is that not punishment enough? For this God of the Bible, that's still not enough. Kicked him out, not enough. Cursed him, not enough. Now he pursues his children. That his children are inheriting that sin. The sin of Adam and Eve is in every human being, says the Christian. The original sin. Everybody is a sinner. And as such, everybody goes to hell. Unless they believe that Jesus Christ, God Almighty, he came down to earth, and at the age of 33 he got crucified for you. You believe that, you go to Jannah. So you are punished for something you didn't do, and you are rewarded for something again you didn't do. No, that's Christianity.